Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to replace the limit sensor on a garage. This particular one is a Genie garage, and I'm having a grinding noise when this opens. This is one of two limit switches. First, we will remove the wire that's at the top, like so. It should just pull out easily. On the other side, it's held in with a screw. Just turn this counterclockwise, and then it should just easily come off. Here's the old limit switch and the new limit switch side by side. The old limit switch has been worn down over time compared to the new one. The new one does have a hook around the top, but it's still able to fit in. If you test both switches, the old one is definitely worn out, the new one is still tight. Put the new limit switch on the rail, just as the previous one was positioned, and then screw that silver screw in clockwise. Then make sure the carriage is able to hit it. Plug the wire in at the top where the terminal is located. It should snap in. Make sure the carriage trolley is snapped in so it doesn't move. Then run a test and it should stop at the switch. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye. Perfect.